Stanley FatMax Anti-Vibe technology is built upon a decade of innovation. FatMax nailing and framing hammers are ideal for striking and pulling nails, as well as use with other demolition tools. Progressing 10 years of anti-vibe technology, these hammers use an innovative design to help minimize vibrations and strain felt by users. A shock-absorbing collar and layers of dampening materials in the handle all help reduce vibrations transferred to the user. The steel core provides overstrike protection. Rounding out the anti-vibe family are short and long-handle sledgehammers. Featuring the same shock-absorbing collar as the hammers, the sledges are built using a particulate-filled fiberglass core designed to absorb shock on impact. A bullet-nose design delivers 2 times more concentrated striking force. Regardless of the application, Stanley has the right tool for every job, a quality tool for every job. Turn to Stanley for your hand tool needs.